Hello student, welcome back to Standard 6 Science Digital class. Observe the picture and tell me what are the need of living things. Yes, every living things required food, water, air and sunlight to survive. Observe the picture. Here different types of foodstuffs are there. Which are the various groups of foodstuffs? Milk and milk products, fruits and vegetables, meat, fish, eggs, cereals, and pulses, etc. are different types of foodstuffs. Which main constituents of food do we get from them? We get nutrients from all these foodstuffs. Let us learn in detail. For which purpose living thing take food? Yes, living things take food and water and use them for a variety of purposes such as to obtain energy for the growth of the body, to carry out day-to-day functions of the body and to fight diseases. If we eat food, we get energy and we are able to do any kind of work. Without energy, we cannot do any kind of work. So student, today we are going to learn lesson number 7, nutrition and diet. In this lesson you will learn about diet and balanced diet and its sources in detail. First we will learn about nutrition. In living things, the process of taking food and water and using it for growth and other purposes is called nutrition. Now about nutrients. The constituent of food useful for these purposes are called nutrients. There are 6 main nutrients in a food such as carbohydrates, fats, protein, fibers, vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are present in different foodstuff in different proportion. Food provides energy in the form of heat, which is measured in kilocalories. Children of growing age should get approximately 2000 to 2500 calories from the food they eat. Let us learn in detail about these nutrients. First nutrient is carbohydrate. It is energy giving nutrients. Our main need is energy. It is fulfilled by carbohydrates. So our diet includes a large proportion of cereals in the form of rice, chapati or roti, bhakri and bread. Cereals are a staple food. You know that daily we take these type of food. Next constituent or nutrient is fat. Some part of our energy requirement is also fulfilled by fatty foods such as oil, ghee, butter, fatty meat and fish, cheese, nuts and seeds, chocolate and avocado. Fat gives us twice energy than carbohydrates. So, we include a smaller quantity of fat in our diet. For example, you might have observed that while preparing vegetables, the proportion of oil is less. Next, next nutrient is protein. Protein is body building food. We need protein for the purposes of growth, repairing the wear and tear of the body and for other life processes. We get proteins from milk and milk products, meat, eggs and sprout. Here are sprouts are given. These are sprouts. Students, your body is growing, so you must include protein-rich food in your diet. Next nutrient is fibers. Fiber help to form stool from undigested food. Cereals, sprouts, fruits and vegetables are sources of fiber If our food does not contain enough fiber, it can lead to constipation. So you must include fiber-rich food in your diet. Now we will learn about minerals and vitamins. We obtain these nutrients from fruits and vegetables. To improve body resistance to disease and for other life processes, the body needs vitamins and minerals. We require vitamins and minerals in small quantities, but their deficiency can lead to various diseases. Let us learn more about minerals. First, the definition of mineral. The body needs some inorganic substances, they are called minerals. This table below gives example of some minerals and provide information about their functions, sources as well as the diseases caused by their deficiency. Iron, calcium and phosphorus, iodine, sodium and potassium are examples of minerals. First mineral is iron. Iron is present in the blood. What is the function of iron? Yes, it carries oxygen to all parts of the body. What are the sources of iron? The sources of iron are meat, spinach, apples and raisins. If there is less amount of iron in blood, the body does not get enough supply of oxygen and one feels constantly weak and tired. This condition is called anemia. You must include iron-rich food in your diet. Next mineral is calcium and phosphorus. The function of calcium and phosphorus is strengthen bones and teeth. And the sources are milk and milk products, green leafy vegetables and meat. If there is less amount of calcium in our body, we will have bad teeth, brittle and weak bones. Hence, it is necessary to take calcium and phosphorus rich food in our diet. Next mineral is iodine. The functions of iodine are it controls growth, speed up chemical reaction in the body and its sources are resins, beans, fish and seafood. Iodine is present in salt also. If there is less amount of iodine in your body, it causes the disease named goiter. It is related to throat. Next mineral is sodium and potassium. Its functions are it maintains the body's water balance and functioning of the muscles and nerve system. We get sodium and potassium from salt, cheese, leafy vegetable, fruits and pulses. If there is less amount of sodium in your body, you will have to face inefficiency of muscles. It means your muscles will not work efficiently. Students, write down this mineral table in your notebook. It is given in your textbook on page number 51. Let us learn about vitamins. There are two types of vitamins, water soluble vitamin and water insoluble vitamins. Vitamin B, C dissolve easily in water, so they are called water soluble vitamin. They are thrown out of the body through the water in the form of sweat and urine. Hence, a regular supply of these vitamins is essential. For example, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, B9 and B12 are water-soluble vitamins. Now about water-insoluble vitamins. These vitamins are insoluble in water, but they are soluble in fatty substances. They get stored in the body. For example, vitamin A, D, E and K are water insoluble vitamins. The sources, functions and deficiency diseases of some vitamins are given in the following table. Vitamins are required in lesser amount but are very essential to the body. First, we will learn vitamin A. What is the function of vitamin A? It protects our eyes. It helps to keep our skin, bones and teeth healthy. The sources of vitamin A are carrot, milk, etc. Observe the picture. Here they have shown the sources in this picture. Which deficiency diseases causes due to lack of vitamin A? Night blindness. It means inability to see in dim light. And next is xeroderma. It means your skin becomes dry. Next vitamin is B1. The it helps Vitamin B1 helps in proper function of nerves and heart. Its sources are milk, fish, meat, cereals, nuts and pulses. If there is a deficiency of vitamin B1, it causes beriberi, means nerves disorder and muscles weakness and inefficiency. Next vitamin is vitamin B9. The function of vitamin B9 is growth of the body. It is necessary for your growth of the body and its sources are deep green vegetables, papayas, kiwis. Deficiency diseases caused due to lack of vitamin B9 are improper growth, anemia, forgetfulness, slow movement. Next vitamin is vitamin B12. The function of vitamin B12 is formation of red blood cells and its sources are meat and milk products. Deficiency of vitamin B12 causes anemia. This disease related to blood. Next vitamin is vitamin C. It protects body tissue formation of collagen. It means a protein essential for gums, teeth, bones and skin. We get vitamin C from amla, kiwi, oranges and other citrus fruits, cabbage, tomatoes, green leafy vegetables. Deficiency diseases caused due to lack of vitamin C are scurvy, means bleeding of gums, thyroid, malfunction, delay in healing of wounds. So vitamin C rich food is necessary in a diet. Next vitamin is vitamin D. It absorbs calcium and phosphorus for healthy bones and teeth. We get vitamin D from sunlight. If we expose our body in the sunlight, we get vitamin D. And some substances in milk, fish, eggs and butter, in these also vitamin D is present. Observe the picture, you will come to know. If vitamin D is not present in your body, deficiency diseases cause like rickets, means softening of bones, causing pain and fractures. Now about vitamin E. It helps for smooth functioning of metabolism inside the cells, reproduction, maintaining efficiency of muscle cells. Its sources are wheat germ, green leafy vegetables, tender leaves, vegetable oils. Deficiency diseases caused due to lack of vitamin E are weak muscles, obstruction in reproduction, and skin disorder. Next vitamin is vitamin K. It helps in clotting of blood. You will get vitamin K from green leafy vegetables, green cabbage, broccoli, sprouted pulses. Deficiency of vitamin K causes excessive bleeding after an injury. So vitamin K is also necessary for our body. Students, copy down this table in your notebook. It is given in your textbook on page number 52. Always remember, some vitamins are very sensitive to heat and light. For example, vitamin C is easily destroyed during cooking. Therefore, vitamin C rich foods should be eaten raw. Observe the picture. Here, all type of citrus fruit are shown like amla, lime, oranges, etc. Now about vitamins. Casimir Funk was a scientist who belonged to Poland in Europe. In a scientific article, he read that people who ate brown rice were less likely to get beriberi than those who ate fully milled rice. He was able to identify and isolate the substances which prevent the disease. He named it vitamin. He proposed that other disorders like scurvy, pellagra, and rickets were also caused by a deficiency of various vitamins. What we have learned today: need of living things, nutrients and foodstuff, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and its sources and functions. So student, read the lesson thoroughly and copy down the table of vitamins and minerals and new words in your notebook. Next concept we will learn in next video. Thank you.